Welcome to this CA Workload Automation iDash Release 12.0.02 video. During the course of this video, we'll cover a few topics related to the enhancements made to reporting. We'll begin with a short overview. For the 12.0.02 release, we have made several enhancements to the report definition process. We have added an option to specify hourly intervals when defining a report. We have enhanced the job run report for both CA7 and AE jobs in a few ways. An average runtime column has been added to the report. A new time frame option has been implemented, past runs, and the time qualifier option has been added to the time frame settings. We have also made enhancements to job run and job status reports specific to AE jobs. These reports have new filter criteria for application, group, and job type. We will briefly describe each of these enhancements, then see a report definition demonstration. In this release, we have added new options to the time frame specification for iDash reports. These options will allow for greater flexibility when defining a report, allowing more granular access to data. When defining a report with the past day's time frame option, you will also be able to specify a from time and a to time applied to the beginning and ending day of the report, respectively. You may also choose to define a report with the new past hours time frame, specifying the number of hours to include in the report. The hourly interval enhancement applies to all reports. In addition, we have made more enhancements to the job run report for both CA Workload Automation AE and CA7 job runs. We have added a new average runtime column to the report. This column will display the average runtime the iDash server expected that specific run to meet. We have added a new time frame option specific to job run reports, past runs. This option allows you to base your report results on the previous X number of runs of the job, regardless of the time span over which those runs happened. We have also added a time qualifier option to the time frame settings. This option allows you finer control over the runs included in the report when using a time-based time frame. A run will be included in the report by comparing the time qualifier selection against the report time frame. The options are end time, start time, both, or either. The default selection is end time, meaning a run will be included if that run's end time falls within the report time frame. We are also introducing enhancements that apply specifically to the CA Workload Automation AE job run and job status reports. These reports may now be filtered by application, by group, or by job type, in addition to the existing filter criteria. Let's now demonstrate a report definition. We'll create a new AE job run report, which will allow us to see all of the new reporting enhancements. I've already selected the AutoSys job run report option and entered a name for my new report. For this report, I'm electing not to filter by job name or status. For job type, I'll click the plus sign and see my options. I think I'm really only interested in the command job type. I'll go ahead and skip instance and machine as well. For applications and groups, I can choose to include jobs without an application or group entry, but for this report, I won't do so. I'll click the plus sign, and I'm really just looking for jobs in the TGG application. I'll go ahead and choose the TGG group as well. And now I can move down to the time frame. It'll default to past days, 7 days worth of data. We see here the new options for from the past date and to the report date. If I wanted to change those from the default options, I could, and the defaults do match the logic employed by the previous releases of iDash. Instead, what I think I'll do is choose one of the new time frames, past runs. The default here is the past 5 runs of any job matching the criteria. But I see that there is an issue. For the past runs time frame, you must have an entry in the job name field. It can be a pattern, a single job, or a list of jobs, but something needs to be there. Since I'm not really interested in doing that at this point, instead of past runs, I'll try the other new option, past hours. It defaults to 24 hours, and I'm okay with that. The time qualifier option is set to end time, again matching the logic used by the previous releases of iDash. Any job that has ended within the last 24 hours when this report is run will be included in the report. That's not exactly what I'm looking at, though. I think I want to see any job that has both started and ended within the past 24 hours. So I'll choose Start and End Time. For the time zone, time format, and column sorting, I'm fine with the default option, so I'll go ahead and create my report. Once created, I can download the report to my choice of format, and I'll go with HTML. The report will run, and you can open it and use the information for whatever you'd like. In this video, we've introduced the CA Workload Automation iDash, release 12.0.02 reporting enhancements, and watched a brief demo of a report definition. We encourage you to view the other videos in the CA Workload Automation iDash, release 12.0.02 series. For additional information on the CA Workload Automation iDash, release 12.0.02, please review the product documentation or request support at the URLs provided. Thank you for viewing this video. To learn more about this product, connect with other users, and share your own expertise, visit the Workload Automation community at the URL shown. This concludes training on the CA Workload Automation iDash, release 12.0.02 reporting enhancements. For more information on this release, and all things CA Workload Automation iDash, please visit docops.ca.com and support.ca.com.